Welcome back to session 2. We hope you are feeling motivated and have started to make some positive changes to your lifestyle. Today we're going to look at your first mindfulness exercise. This is a great exercise to get you in touch with your 5 key senses. These are sight, touch, sound, smell and taste. These will all play a key role in your eating habits and subsequent weight loss journey. Please now watch Miss newNRG take you through this. Now take a piece of food, for example a raisin or a piece of fruit. Hold it in your hand and truly appreciate it. Focus on how it feels in your hand, and now smell it. Put it into your mouth and slowly chew it to appreciate all of the taste. Savour it and swallow it. Well done! You have just completed your first mindfulness exercise. You can do this daily with your food. It is incredibly important to be mindful when you eat, so that you don't overeat or are tempted to eat unhealthy, fattening foods. In order to break these habits, you must be present-minded and committed to change. Just look at the difference this has made to Mr. and Miss newNRG. If you go to the fridge automatically, without thinking, you will have trouble managing your weight. You cannot change a behaviour if you are unaware of what you are doing. Now let's do a short quiz together to identify your own individual eating behaviour. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers. You have selected the binge eater. You may also have similarities to the other eating behaviours, which are emotional eating and situational eating. Today we want you to focus on binge eating, but feel free to have a look at the other videos afterwards. Please click on your session now. You have been diagnosed as a binge eater. Binge eaters often can't stop eating, eat quickly, eat when full, and can be serial snackers and yo-yo dieters. After you overeat, you feel stressed, embarrassed, numb, unsatisfied, and even guilty, and desperate to control your weight. Binge eaters frequently consume lots of food and cannot resist the urges to eat. Your struggle with food can come from a variety of physical, emotional, and social issues, but you can overcome this with our help. The use or avoidance of food can lead to emotional distress and even illness. There is a huge difference between emotional and physical hunger, and we will teach you to overcome this. Emotional hunger comes on suddenly, feels like it needs to be satisfied instantly, craves specific comfort foods, isn't happy with a full stomach, and triggers feelings of guilt and shame. Whereas physical hunger can wait, comes on gradually, and fills you up. You binge to manage your emotions and the everyday situations you find yourself in. Binging comes from restricting yourself from certain foods. So instead of restricting yourself, try some of your favourite treats early in the day, in moderation. Eat these mindfully and truly appreciate them. If we completely eliminate the things we love from our diet, then we are likely to sabotage our weight loss journey. So remember, moderation is the key. Self-acceptance means adopting a non-critical view of yourself while making healthy choices and treating your body with respect. After all, you've only got one to live in, and you can't just up and move house. It means giving your body the amount of food and exercise it really needs. Now that you know your eating habits better, you need to accept that food is necessary for us all to survive. You need to develop a healthier relationship with food. And this relationship needs to be built around meeting your nutritional needs, not your emotional needs. So here is a summary of what you have learnt today. You are most like a binge eater, but may have similarities with the other eating behaviours. To be mindful when you are eating. To only feed physical, not emotional hunger. Don't deprive yourself. Have a few of your favourite treats, but remember, moderation is the key. We will give you some more coping strategies throughout the programme. Remember to fill in your diary on a daily basis. It may help to fill this in at the same time each day. Remember, this will take time and won't be easy. It requires discipline to make this a new, healthy habit. Please feel free to have a look at the other eating videos also. Congratulations, you have completed session 2. We will see you again soon for session 3 next week. Today's motivational quote is from J.K. Rowling. Understanding is the first step to acceptance, and only with acceptance can there be recovery.